Hello everyone, in this video I will be building a project of IR remote control card with the help of IR receiver, Arduino UNO and L293D motor driver IC. With help of code, Arduino UNO is operated to run the DC motors attached with car. When I press the up button, then the car goes in forward direction, and when I press the down button on IR remote, it goes in backward direction. Similarly, when left or right button pressed, then car goes in left or right direction accordingly. Let's see it. Here is the circuit diagram for this project and pin diagram of L293D IC. I have set the links of both diagrams in the description. Let's build the project. To build it, we need a chassis, Arduino UNO, breadboard, IR receiver, IR remote, L293D motor driver IC, 2 DC motors, 2 wheels for DC motors, 9-volt battery for powering of Arduino, 4 AA batteries for powering of L293D motor driver IC, AA battery holder and some jumper wires. any USB port on your system. Before uploading code, we have to install a library in Arduino IDE. To install the library, click on library symbol, then type IR remote in the text box. Then find the first result from the list and then click on install button. Library is now installed. Now select your Arduino device and corresponding port on Arduino IDE and upload the code. Once upload is done, the project is ready to run. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.